Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install MongoDB and how to configure it. So to know about MongoDB, it is a source available cross-platform document-oriented database program. It is classified as a NoSQL database program. So let us start how to install it first. First of all, we have to go to the Google and write down here MongoDB download. Then go to the MongoDB community download, click on it. Then MongoDB community server, and here you can see 5.0.9 is a current available download, and it's a MSI file and platform is Windows. You can download it here, click on it. It takes some time to download. Now you can see download is complete, click on it. Now click next, check this box, next. Now here are two options, complete or custom. Keep it complete. Now you can see here it's install MongoDB as a service, keep as it is, and these are the directories where it can be installed. Keep as it is as default. Now next. Now it says that install MongoDB Compass. We want to install, so keep as it is, install. It takes some time to install. Click OK. Now you can see MongoDB Compass is being installed. It has been installed already. MongoDB Compass is actually a graphical representation of MongoDB. So right now we are going to discuss the command prompt. Now you can see MongoDB is being already installed. Finish here. Now we have to go to the MongoDB location where it has been installed. Program files, MongoDB server, the version of 5.0, and now you can see here bin mongo.exe and MongoD file. To start MongoDB you need to run MongoD file, and in order to open Mongo client you need to run Mongo. Copy the location of this bin location here. We can copy here. To run MongoD we have to go to command prompt. Write down here command cmd command prompt. Now write down cd so that we can reach the exact location of the bin folder, and paste the location and enter. Now here we can write down MongoD and hit enter. Now here you can see it shows data DB not found. because there we don't have this kind of a folder there. We have to create it. So what should we do now? We have to go to the C partition here and create a folder with the name data, and in the data folder we have to create another folder that is called db. Now we have created these two folders. So now let's try again whether it's working smoothly or not. Go to the command prompt again, write down the MongoDB command again as well, enter. Now you can see MongoDB is started. Now I'm going to open the new command prompt window, and here I'm use the same cd and the location of the folder, bin folder, and enter. We can use the Mongo command here and enter, which will open Mongo shell. Here we are in a Mongo shell. We can write down the command show dbs. Here you can see it shows the default databases admin config local. Now if you want to create your own database using MongoDB, use, for example, I will use the my database. Use my database and hit enter. Now we are in a new database named with the my database, and if you run show dbs again, it shows the same old databases. Then why it's not displaying this which we have recently created? Because we have not inserted any data in this database, that's why. So to show it in this show dbs, we have to insert some data in our new my database. If you want to insert some data into your database, write down the command db dot and the name, for example cars dot insert bracket and curly bracket, and write down here the name, for example Baleno, colon and write down here MongoDB cars curly bracket and bracket. Oh, it should be here, and hit enter. You can see here one I have inserted some data into it. Now if we use show command again, show dbs. Now you can see here my database because we have inserted some data into it. Now write down other command, show collections, semicolon, enter. The spelling was not correct, it's collections, enter. Now you can see the name of cars. Now if we want to find anything in our database, we can use this command, db.cars.find, and hit enter. It shows data into it. See, Baleno and MongoDB cars. Now go to cmd again, command prompt, and if we want to run MongoDB again without using location, first of all, in previous section we have used cd and then location, and then we can use MongoDB command, but we want to run it from anywhere, from any location in the command prompt. So let us try again, MongoDB. See here, it's not working because we have to go again and again to the same location and run the MongoDB command, then it will work. So we want to run it from anywhere, any location. To run it from anywhere, we have to fix it using environment variables. We can go to the environment variables here, search, and write down here environment variables. You can see here, enter. And it's here, environment variables. Now you can see here, path, edit it, and new, and here you have to paste the path where we recently copied that path, paste it here, and OK, we can close it once and start it again, and write down here MongoDB. Now see, it's working here right now. Now we don't have to give it path again and again, it's already been now permanently set. Now use the another command prompt window, cmd. Now write down the Mongo here. Here you can see it's working now fine. We don't have to put the path again and again. Now one thing is important here, after doing all the things you have to restart it once. You have to restart the computer once. Now we have already restarted the computer. Now we want to check whether it's working or not. Go to the command prompt again and write down here Mongo and hit enter. Now you can see Mongo client is connecting to Mongo server without running MongoDB command. MongoDB is running as a service on your operating system, and you can directly use Mongo command in order to connect to your Mongo server. Now this was all about how to install MongoDB and how to configure it, how to connect it with the server. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.